Hello students, my name is Preeti Bharadwaj. I am the teacher of Vidyavan Public Schools, and today I am here to teach you the very interesting topic. That another topic is alphabetical order. Do you know what is the alphabet and what's the alphabetical order? See, I am showing you on the board alphabet. Alphabet. What's the alphabet? A, M, P, B, U, Z. These are called alphabet. A to Z we learn, we revise, we can sing, है ना? These are the alphabet. These are the alphabet A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. These are the alphabet. But what are the alphabetical order? What are the alphabetical order? See students, I am showing you. When we arrange the letters in the fixed in order, when we arrange the letters in fixed in order in the particular sequence, that's called alphabetical order. How? See, as we know, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? If we follow the patterns, like what's come after A, B, what's come after B, C, what's come after C, D, what's come after D, E, what's come after E, F, what's come after F, G, what's come after G, H, what's come after H, I, what's come after I, J, what's come after J, K, what's come after J, K, L, M, N. When we follow the fixed in order, we fixed. This is the fixed letter. These are the fixed letters. Ki what's come after the A? B is there. B is there. B will be come after the A. B will be the come after the A. C will come after the B. D will come after the C. Okay. This is the fixed order. When we follow the letters in fixed order in the same sequence, same patterns, these is called alphabetical order. Alphabetical orders. Okay student, now this is the concept are clear. What's the letters and what's the alphabetical order? What's are the alphabet and what's are the alphabetical orders? You can also say letters, alphabet. Okay, we can see letters, alphabet, the both are the same, letter and alphabet. Okay, so now you are understood ki what is the alphabetical orders. When we follow the letter in fixed order, that is called alphabetical order. That is called alphabetical order. Now I am showing the another example. As you can see on the board, if see, my name is Preeti. P R E E T I. This is my name. As you know, my name is Preeti. Okay. Here's the letter. Here's the 6 letters in this name. 6 letters are there in the name. But these are only the letters. These letters make a word. That word is Preeti. That word is Preeti. Letters are make the word, students. Letters are make the word. When the letters you can write, when you are the write the name, you either write the letters in the group, that can make, if that meaning is, actual meaning is there, then that group can call you word. You can call the group that word. That is the word. Okay. What is the word? The a proper group that meaning is there, that is called word. Okay. But word is made by the letters, alphabet. When we write the alphabet, when we write the letters in the group, that make in a name. name, word, you can place, anything you can write. You can write your name, you can write my name, any other's name, your friend's name. You can write with their letters help. है ना? With the help of letters. Letters will help you to write the names, places names, your friend's name, human beings name, animals names, anything you can write with the letters. Okay, so these are the letters. These are the letters. Okay. Now, what is alphabetical order? These are the letters, na? P letter, R letter, E letter, E letter, T letter, I letter. Okay, these are the letters. Okay. But what is the alphabetical and how can I arrange these letters in the alphabetical order? See, I am showing you. Start with the A. Because when we start the A to Z, A, B, C, D, we start with the A. So here also we start with the A. First letter of the English alphabets are A, B, second is C, D, E. A is not here, B is not here, C is not here, D is not here, E is here, E is here. We got the first letter E in a fixed order, E. Here I write, again I got the E, so again I write E because E is the first letter, E, F, G, H, I. F is not here, G is not here, H is not here, I we can see, I. So write here I. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Now I got P. So I write here P, Q, R, R. I got the R, R, S, T. Now T. See student, this is called alphabetical order. Now I am arrange my name in the alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. I hope you all are understood ki what is alphabet, what's the alphabet and what is alphabetical orders. Okay. Again I am just showing some examples. You can see. This is the spelling of apple, APPLE, FAN, fan, CAT, cat, DOG, dog. These are the words apple. If I am arranging this name, this spelling in a alphabetical order. So what letter I will choose in first? A. Because first letter is A in the English alphabet. A I got in the apple. A. B, C, D, E. B is not here. C is not here. D is not here. But E I got. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Now I got L, L, M, N, O, P. Now I got P. Here's P 2 times. So I also write 2 times. This is the alphabetical orders. Fan, next is fan. First letter is A. As we know, in our English alphabet, the first letter A. B, C, D, E, F. Now I got F. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Now I got N here. This is the alphabetical order. This is the word fan and I am writing the fan in the alphabetical order. Third word is cat. And the first letter of cat is C. But first letter of our English alphabets are A. And I got the A in the cat. A. B, C. Now I got the C. D, F, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Now T I got the T. This is the alphabetical order. I am arranging the letters in the alphabetical order. Now I hope you all are understood what I am doing on the board. I hope you all are understood. This is the fourth word, dog. D-O-G, dog. Again, I am writing the alphabetical order. This spelling I am writing in the alphabetical orders. First letter of the alphabets are A. The second is B. Third is C. Fourth is D. I got the D here. So it will be the first D, E, F, G. Now I got the G. G. Okay, students. So, ACT is done. Next is DOG, dog. Fourth word is dog. DOG, dog. Now again, what we are doing? Alphabetical order. We arrange the word in the alphabetical order. A, B, C, D. First letter of the alphabet is A. Second is B. Third is C. And the fourth is D. D I got. So, right here D, E, F, G. Now I got the G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Now I got O. So I write O. This is the way you can write alphabetical order. This is the word you can write in the alphabetical orders. This is the thing. This is the very easy way you can easily understood what is the alphabet and what's the alphabetical order. What's the alphabet? Alphabet, when you learn A to Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is called alphabet. And what is alphabetical order? When we follow these letters in fixed order, in the correct patterns, like what's come after A, what's come after B. When we follow these things in fixed order, that is called alphabetical order. I hope you all are understood and enjoy this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.